going to show you the Azure at Duinrell. So they are fairly, I would say, close together, but I think the soundproofing is pretty good on them. It's also a pretty quiet site. So you have a barbecue and then you have an outside area like this, which is under a shade. And then you go in. This is obviously before we moved in. And you have a bathroom here with a big shower. The shower is really good. You have this kitchenette area here with a little sofa area. And then I'll just go through here and you have 2 single beds. It's quite tight, but you do have some storage. And then you have 2 more single beds in here. In here you have a separate toilet, okay, which is great. And then finally you go into here and you have the double bed, which is a queen size in fairness. There isn't a right lot of room to move around, but there is heaters in all of the bedrooms as well, which for a site in Amsterdam, especially in April, is pretty good. So microwave, fridge freezer, oven, toaster and kettle.